Today, Fed's Chairman Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen are due to testify before Congress. Investors are anticipating their remarks on bond yields. Besides, President Joe Biden has come up with a new stimulus package that arouses some questions. On mid-Tuesday, the Dow Jones gained 0.32%. It rated 32,731 points. The index is expected to remain in this area tomorrow with the prospects of breaking through 32,850. On the whole, high-tech stocks rebounded by Tuesday evening following a sell-off. Tesla shares jumped 2.3%. American asset management firm ARK Investment predicted that Tesla shares could skyrocket as high as $3,000 apiece by 2025. The US dollar has moved away from record highs, though it remains at elevated levels on Tuesday. Meanwhile, investors are trying to sort out whether the US Central Bank will decide to moderate soaring yields of US Treasuries. Testimonies of Fed's Chairman Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen are on investors' radars today. Market participants will be looking for their comments on the recent rise in government bond yields. The US dollar index is likely to trade in the corridor of 91.90 to 92.50 points in the late New York session. The USD CAD is set to trade upwards in the medium term. The price climbed above a strong resistance of 1.2480, which has just turned into support. The currency pair could rise to 1.25, 1.27 tomorrow. Last weekend, crypto analysts had hopes that Bitcoin was on track to top up the milestone mark of $60,000 per token. However, on Tuesday morning, the number one cryptocurrency sank over 5%. What lies behind this decline? Having reached the swing high of $58,000, Bitcoin reversed downwards, dragging down other altcoins. The Fear and Greed index fell 4 points over 24 hours to 66. This way, crypto traders respond to another failed attempt of Bitcoin to test the round level of $60,000. The crypto asset could find support in case of large investments. Besides, the slump in the Turkish lira could provide Bitcoin with a minor support. Hence, it's too early to speak about a deep downward correction. The most popular cryptocurrency will hardly decline below $48,500 per token. In the nearest 2 days, Bitcoin could break through 51,000, 53,000 with a bounce to follow. US President Joe Biden is ready to present a new stimulus plan worth $3 trillion. This comes hot on the heels of the relief package of $1.9 trillion that has recently been signed into law. New cash injections will be spent on the infrastructure, in particular highways and bridges, as well as education. Experts warn that Joe Biden will have to push ahead with a new stimulus in Congress because he does not have the Democratic majority there. Republicans are expected to reject flatly the bill. The newly adopted stimulus package of $1.9 trillion required a tax hike. Congress is set to begin tough debates on taxes in the near time. This could be the catalyst for a large downward correction in US markets. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.